The budget session of Parliament commences today, marking the start of a 16-day sitting period that will conclude on August 12th. The session will primarily focus on financial matters related to the Union budget for 2024-25. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to present Economic Survey 2023-24 on the opening day, providing a comprehensive overview of the various economic sectors. The Union Budget 2024-25, the first for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government in its third term, will be tabled in the Lok Sabha on Tuesday. Alongside this, the budget for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for 2024 will also be presented. The government plans to introduce 6 new bills during the session, including amendments to disaster management legislations and bills related to boilers, aviation, coffee and rubber industries. An all-party meeting was held yesterday to ensure smooth proceedings in both houses. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju expressed the government's willingness to debate any issue openly and call for cooperations from all parties. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh emphasized the importance of maintaining decorum during parliamentary proceedings. The opposition, led by the Congress Party, has demanded discussions on several key issues, including the alleged Need Paper Leak, railway security, the Agniveer scheme, center-state relations and the security situation in Manipur and Jammu and Kashmir. The economic survey, prepared during the supervision of Chief Economic Advisor Dr. V. Ananthari Nageshwaram, will offer insights into the country's economic state, growth prospects and policy challenges. It comes at a time when India has maintained its position as the fastest growing major economy, with International Monetary Fund recently raising its growth forecast for India to 7% for 2024-25. The Finance Ministry announced that its Chief Economic Advisor will address the media this afternoon following the presentations of the economic survey in the Lok Sabha.